Hello, my name is Nolar Miklic from legionconsulting.io, and in this video I want to present you with our case studies. First, individual client case study, which is Gail from tax advisor from Australia. So the headline of this case study basically is how Australian tax advisor Geoff had 9 meetings with ideal prospects in the first month of working with us. First, I will go through who is the client, the objective of our work, the challenge, the strategy that we used, and the last is results. So first of all, the client is Geoff, Australian advisor with more than 37 years of consulting experience. His main focus is advising Australians who work overseas with their repatriation, property tax, and retirement planning. For the past 15 years, he has conducted 75 Australian expats seminars in 15 countries, including events in Asia, the Middle East, Europe, and the UK. And besides the referrals, this was his main source of clients. Our goal was to successfully launch a new client acquisition channel online that will eventually replace live events because of its decreasing effectiveness and cost efficiency. The challenge in this case was that finding Australians who work abroad online is not a straightforward task, so we had to be a little bit creative with our solutions. Through the right conversation structure, we had to filter out those who were not and who were interested in repatriation advice or property tax advice, and lead them to think that they need this type of service, because not everybody is thinking about, okay, when I will be interested in coming home, what I should do. So he had the process, he had the transformation of the client that they didn't even know that they need. So yeah, that was the challenge. Strategy was that we used our proven process of optimizing his profile to call out his niche, then found the right audience using LinkedIn premium features, groups, sending connection requests and messages through groups. The result was that after the first month, he had 9 meetings, and most of prospects agreed that once they will repatriate to Australia, they will become his client. One client even signed a $4,000 consultation like immediately at the call. So results in numbers were that we sent 3,005 connections, had 1,354 connections accepted, which was 45% acceptance rate, which is really high, and we are pretty happy with that. Messages sent was 4,800 messages. We started 650 new conversations, which is 13.5% reply rate, which is also great, and 9 meetings booked. Client signed were almost all of them, or all of them basically, but one decided to pay immediately for the consultation. We have here also the interview that we had, which is like the testimonial, and you can watch it on our YouTube channel through this link. So thank you for watching this video, and see you in another one.